Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you guys what I've been doing for like the past week. No bullshit. So I posted the Amberlynn Reid video, right? Some good comments, some bad comments, whatever. It is what it is. Amberlynn Reid video, right? So here's the thing. So, no bullshit, the past probably week and a half to 2 weeks, basically since I filmed that video and I uploaded it, I've been watching nothing, and I mean nothing, but Amberlynn Reid's videos. It's been on a constant playlist. Like, anytime I'm cleaning, I'm doing anything, have it on in the background. I'm listening to it, looking at it, I'm viewing it, whatever. Like, between Crystal, Destiny, Becky, all of them. Like, I've been watching these videos because I'm just like trying to understand, right? And I think the thing that pushed me was after I uploaded that video, I saw some of her newer videos that I apparently didn't pay attention to before. I don't know if they got uploaded after the fact. I don't know. But one of them was hang on, I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea which one it was that I watched. I was like, okay, what the fuck? Because, like, here's the thing, and I think this is partially why I'm kind of frustrated. I was talking to one of my friends, right? And she made a comment about, in general in life, you know you're a certain way, okay? So say you have depression, say you have anxiety, say you have a eating disorder or a binge eating disorder, right? Say you have one of these things. Now, you've pretty much known about it most of your life. Something especially mental health related, OCD even, right? So one of the comments that my friend made actually kind of like made me think about Amberlynn when she said it. And she was talking more about like anxiety, depression thing. But the comment was like, you kind of know your whole entire life that you have this wrong with you. And you also kind of know at some point you either have to give into it and basically fall, or you have to accept the fact that you need help and get the help that you need. And I think Amberlynn's at that phase, and I think that's what like blows my mind the most. So when she said that, I was just kind of like, man, that's so freaking true. Like, and for some reason, again, I thought of Amberlynn. Why? Because she's 500 plus pounds and she's been this way forever. And she's at a point where she's kind of giving in, she's giving up, she's letting go instead of reaching out and asking for help. When you're that heavy and you have these disorders, if you don't reach out and ask for help, it's kind of pointless, right? And something that like she kept saying, like, I know she says like and I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it's more of a rambling video. It doesn't really have a purpose. It was just some things that I picked up when I was watching videos that I wanted to just talk about, because again, this stuff like irritates me and nobody else I know watches her, so it's like I have to talk to somebody about it. So this is where this comes in. I just want to let you guys know that. But one thing that I wish she saw, right? Because she was like, oh well, people on this and da da da, 600-pound life, this and this, right? Well, here's the thing, like, the people in my 600-pound life, yeah, you know, they're going on this show, all this other stuff, whatever, they're gonna have the surgery, but like, you have to like eat right, eat healthy before Dr. Nazarian will approve you for the surgery. It's like, does she forget that? Does she not see that? Because like, she can't do that now. What makes her think that, you know, she can do it on the show? And then like, she says like she's for it now. Previously said she was against it. But my thing is, when the title of this video is probably going to be like, what happened to you? When I actually watched some of her first videos on YouTube, because I was just curious, because I saw a lot of people talk about it. So I watched a lot of her first videos on YouTube, and she started out as, you know, this sweet little girl who like, who just wanted to lose weight, that was already losing weight, and wanted to get on YouTube. And part of me feels like YouTube ruined her, because like, she started getting more money because she started making money off of YouTube, and She started realizing she could eat out more. She started realizing she had money for more things, you know, stuff like that. And I think like that's what's really like pushing her back, honestly. I feel like if she never would have started YouTube, maybe this never would have happened. But you know, it's kind of one of those catch-22 situations. But I'm just like, I'm sitting there looking at her old videos and I'm just like, what happened to you? Like, what honestly happened to you? Like, I know you grow, you know, in 5 years, like mentally, physically, all that kind of stuff. I don't mean to be funny by that, by saying you grow. But like, I know us saying like, oh, hey, go look back at your old videos. That's not going to do anything. She'll look back at her old videos and just be like, I know when I see pictures of myself when I was thinner or anything like that, I'm like, damn. And like, I try to consciously make the effort to look better and to keep going and to push and to be stronger and better, because it's like, oh, man, I was there at one point. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like, why can't I go back? What's stopping me? And it's like, it's crazy to think that something as simple as eating 3 meals a day is that difficult. Now, I remember now. Amberlynn posted a video, and in the video it said, I'm gonna stop thinking about weight loss, and I'm gonna stop doing this, and I'm not gonna wake up just to talk about losing weight, and I'm not gonna do this and this and this. And I got so excited, I commented, I was like, oh my gosh, she saw my video. And then at the end of it, I was like, I really think she saw my video. I really think she saw my video. Why? Because in my last video, my advice was, hey, dude, stop freaking talking about losing weight, bro. Like, stop it. That's what's causing you not to lose weight. Your mind is literally flooded with like fat, carbs, sodium, this. Like, all fat people know how to lose weight. Like, that's not even a question. Like, okay, 98% maybe. The people that have tried, you know what I'm saying? The people that go back and forth and fluctuate and all that other stuff. Like, we all know how to lose weight. We all know what we're doing wrong. We may get into like slumps and stuff. We're gonna try to figure it out, like figure out what to do, what to change, all that kind of stuff. But like, boo, you know how to lose weight, and you know you're not doing it. I'm sorry, that completely went off subject. No, but for real. So she talked about, you know, she's going to stop. Like, she's going to stop focusing so much on weight loss and calorie counting and this, and this. And then, like, the next video, I'm going to count calories again. I'm going to go on Weight Watchers. And that's why I'm just like, so I watched the next video, and I'm pretty sure I commented, like, never mind, I guess she didn't see my video. Because, like, I was so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. Like, she's actually going to try this. Like, she's going to do this. And then I was just like, you know, I'm just over it. I'm just like, where is this going to go? Where is this going to go? Where's it going to go? Like, you've been doing this for 5 years, bro. Like, can you at least, like, lose, like, 50 pounds or something to pull us back in? And then start gaining weight again? Like, you know what I mean? Like, do something. But, like, these freaking weight losses of 0.2 pounds and, oh, today I weighed 501.2, so that's a weight loss of 0.2 pounds. Bruh. Like, bruh. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, we don't give a fuck. You literally have said to yourself that your fucking weight fluctuates 5 pounds. That's any normal human being. Like, okay. This is why I said I had to talk about this, you guys. It's just like so frustrating. So frustrating to watch somebody literally play out the definition of insanity, which I talked about in my last video. Like, I just don't get it. I don't get it. And I think that's how we all feel. And yes, I know people have comments like, oh, this is what she wants. She wants you to talk about it. And then people go check out her channel. And I don't know why I'm making this voice. But like, I get it. I know I shouldn't be making these videos. Like, I know I shouldn't be talking about this because it's just gonna feed more into her. But like, you just get so frustrated. And like, again, like I said, like, I'm talking to my random friends about her, and they're just like, cause they don't know who the hell she is. They don't give a shit. Like, they don't watch YouTube. They're not into YouTube, so they're just like. So that's why I was like, I gotta make another video, because like, this is driving me freaking crazy. Like, there's just like watching her over and over and over and over again. I don't think she's a bad person. Like, I'm not saying that. I don't feel like that way at all. But I'm like, you're too old for this. Like, I don't personally, I don't want to say I don't believe in mental disorders, but the thing with that kind of stuff is like, you can control that. And I say that because I was 350 pounds once, and I used to binge, and I don't anymore. Don't get me wrong, I have my moments where I'm like, man, I'm finna eat chips tonight. And you know, I eat a half a bag of chips, but like, I correct that behavior, you know? And it's not like to the point where I know that I'm going to like eat like everything under the sun. But it's just like, you're just so all over the place. And then it's like, you think it's okay just because you share your binges with YouTube, that it's okay to do it. It justifies it. No, it's not. Like, we don't give a fuck what you do at the end of the day. It's your fucking life, boo. Like, it's your life. But, like, get it together. Like, here's the thing. I know I keep saying like, and I'm sorry. But, like, here's the thing, right? And again, this goes back kind of like with my 600-pound life, Dr. Nazardin. He blatantly tells them, like, you're eating too many calories. And there was literally, it was an older video, I think it was with her and Destiny, that I just watched today, actually, where someone left a comment like, you're obviously eating more than what you show on camera. And she's like, I can't win. If I show you guys my binges, you tell me not to eat that. But if I show you guys eating healthy, you don't believe I'm eating that either. No, the guy's right. And the reason the guy is right is because, like now Dr. Nazardin says, you're 500 pounds. You're gaining weight. You haven't lost any weight. You're gaining weight, right? And in a recent video, I think, I don't know, either way, it doesn't matter because you're still around the same weight. You said that you can eat like 3,500 calories and still lose weight. But you're not going to eat that much according to you. You said you're only going to eat around 2,000, 1,800. So if you're actually eating 1,800, 2,000, you'd be losing weight. You'd be losing double, because if you're eating 3,500 and you're losing weight, then if you're shrinking that in half almost, you're definitely going to lose weight. But in reality, you're eating over 3,500, you're eating way above 3,500, you're eating at least 6,000 calories a day. And you can deny it, you can say you're not doing it, which you will say you're doing it, because that's how you keep telling us. It's like, I confess I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. But it's just like, bro, like, what the fuck do you need to eat that's 6,000 calories in a day? And maybe you need to find a hobby, like I said in my last video. Get another job. Like, whatever it is. Like, I'm done.